Hi guys, today I am gonna be playing Stumble Guys. So now I'm playing Stumble Guys.
Hello. We are playing ranked, by the way.
Yeah, we are playing ranked.
Me and Avyan both don't have any abilities because I don't know why everyone gets 100 free ability keys, but I don't. It's very not fair, but can't do anything about it.
Yeah.
I have 110 ability keys, so next ability I'm getting is punch. But right now I'm gonna try to body block.
Oh, Dad!
I was just gonna say I'm gonna try to kill Avyan, but nobody here seems to have punch and everyone here seems to be a bot. You expected me. Show them my POV.
I'm spectating him. POV Ranch here.
You also spoken Hindi. I'm just doing all the long jumps.
Yeah. Why are you doing the long jumps, you mother? By the way, this is my channel about Roblox and other games. My other channel again plays.
Subscribe to my channel. It's called Anya and Riyaz.
No.
Anya and Riyaz.
No. Okay, subscribe to my channel.
Bro,
subscribe to this channel.
Distracted me, Avyan.
Nah.
You subscribe to my channel.
Nah, subscribe to mine. Subscribe to mine. Nah.
No one will watch that. जितना आवाज कर रहे हो. Everyone subscribe to my channel as well.
No.
It's called Anya and Riyaz. Subscribe to his channel, but check out my channel too. I haven't posted a Stumble Guys video right now, but I have posted Zuban Minecraft videos a lot. So you go check them out. There are also some knowledge videos, okay? So you go check that out and please do subscribe.
And Nada, I'm just skipping this part.
Just.
Okay, so now we are playing ranked again.
And I'm more OP than you. Let's go.
Nah.
Yeah.
No.
Abhi Rashar mein you died first.
It's glitching.
You're not my friend.
Yeah.
If you can't join, I am too sorry.
Send me an invite.
I send you an invite. Bhai, you restart yours. I'm playing with a platinum.
Okay, so
restart yours.
There was an unexpected error. So
restart yours.
I'm just restarting my entire that game, all my games. So it's gonna take some time. So I'm pausing. Okay, so it's done. And don't say it.
It doesn't take time, but nobody likes to show their personal screen. He just feels shy of. He didn't want me to say it because he felt shy, but
I did not feel shy. It's my personal thing. No. It's
all the people out there, you guys can also understand. Nobody wants to show their private stuff to other people. He just didn't want me to say it, but now you guys know.
Yeah.
It doesn't take time at all.
No YouTuber wants to show their private.
Yeah, he's just agreeing with me now. He was screaming at me not to say it.
But I'm not shy. I'm not shy. It's just I don't want to show my private things. I just don't want to show my private things.
Then why did you lie?
Because I wanted. Yeah.
No good YouTuber lies.
Every good YouTuber lies.
You're gonna lie. You're gonna die so bad.
Nah.
This is your most hated man.
I'm actually kind of good at this.
Oh please, do you even know the skips? Oh man, I failed the skip. 1 minute. Only some people skip.
Wait, I'm actually getting good for this.
No.
I'm near my brother. Oh shit. Wow. I'm getting hit. Oh.
Oh, I'm right behind one player.
I got hit.
I'm right behind one player.
Oof. Oh, I made it.
I got hit on the last second. No, I was second place. Guys, I told you he's so bad at this game. Look at him.
I'm not even that bad.
Are you sure about that?
Yeah.
Are you sure about that?
Yep.
Come on, die.
I made it!
No!
Yeah! I made it!
I was just about to come to first place if I didn't die on that time.
Okay, so
AC का remote कहाँ है?
it started.
Yeah, I really don't care, man. Okay, you can see.
Somebody NE and somebody that won the game.
I was second place, guys. I'm goated gamer.
Well, I was fourth. I'm still.
You were not fourth.
It
Believe.
shows. It shows. I'm fourth. Heh.
I was second.
Yeah, I don't care. And it's just 3 seconds. It's glitched. Oh,
No,
yeah.
it is not.
Like
Go
it's
her
glitched.
after something. Yeah. Do you want to play events or ranked? You want? I'm playing ranked.
And
I
he
wanna
wants
get
to
more
play
stuff.
round. I also want to play round.
Nah, bhai.
In ranked, I am higher than you. Yep. Invite me.
Are you dumb?
No.
Then why couldn't you just go from there? He's getting pissed out. So much.
Do not say that. That's a bad word.
It's not a bad word. Pissed out means annoyed.
I know. But
That's not a bad word.
the first word is a bad word.
Viewers, can you please explain to him? He's a 9-year-old boy. He doesn't know that pissed out is not a bad word. It means being annoyed.
The
Yeah,
first,
please explain to him in the comments.
nah, the first one is.
Lava and you're cooked. Avan, you're cooked.
Okay,
like rock
I'm
happened.
cooked. I'm cooked.
I have
I
done a
hate this.
neo jump in this. Or like very far neo jump on this.
Oh no. Oh.
Avan is already. Oh
No.
man, I thought you were there.
Adinda. Why
I
would
thought
that?
you were there. The way.
Oh. Why would that? Oh.
No, get pushed off.
Ada.
How did you die like that? Oh God, Avan.
Adu,
Stop pushing.
he's gonna lose. He's gonna lose. He's gonna lose.
Are you sure about that?
Yes.
I'll go to the corner to do more skills.
Okay, he's gonna win. I think. He lost. How did he do that?
It's because I'm a goated gamer.
He's not good.
Oh yes, I am. You'll come in top 3 right now.
Okay, now
I don't have any briefcase to snipe that guy.
that
and
is
kill him.
POV Ryanch.
I don't have any. None of us have abilities.
His actual name is Ryanch, but he just added a E in front of that. Oh.
I told you.
Jump. Oh,
I told you I'm a goated
game was not-
gamer. I
not
won,
that.
and ranked is hard to win. Well, not that much if you're on the wood rank. And yes, I am way farther than you, Avian. Well, you play ranked more than me. I've left rank anyway. But now I'm way farther than you. You get 7th place.
7th is still pretty good, right, guys? Comment down
Nah.
below. And by the way, I'm doing a giveaway on Roblox Grow Garden. So if you want, like and subscribe, comment your username.
He
and
will
I'll
never
the
give you
fruits.
guys anything. He's poor. His
Nah.
tab got restarted and he had to do it again. He's very poor.
I'll show you my
His
Roblox.
friends gave him money. That's why.
I'll show you my Roblox.
Friend, but it's true now. Your friends did give
No,
you.
they didn't. I grinded it all.
Advay, please tell them.
I
did not-
grinded all of it, right?
Grinded all of what?
Money.
The money in Roblox. No, he added from Krishav or someone. No?
Nah.
He actually did grind. Oh, wait.
I
But he was
grinded it.
poor. And he will not give you that good pet. Just to let you know.
Pets,
I don't
no.
play Roblox, but I just know that he's not going to give you good stuff. And Roblox is a very ghatia game, very bad game.
Nah, it's not. It's not.
It's in a crushed game. Very bad.
My brother does not like Roblox. He is telling people not to like Roblox. Otherwise, it's a very good game. I
It's
encourage
the
you
worst
to
game
play.
in the world.
He doesn't like Roblox.
Someone has punch. I hate
Okay.
this game. No, I
Nah.
love this game. I'm going on people's head. Let's go.
Yeah,
I love this game.
I went on Branch's head, I think.
No, you
Nah.
did not. I went on your head. Do you know that skin is actually bad? Guys, if you want to become a pro player, one thing, pick skin that stay on the ground. And for example, like my skin, like this high code skin, not like Avian skin. Like his skin is very bad. It's like floating in the air and it's
It's
actually very
not.
bad.
Look, it's not floating. Oh.
But it's still very bad. It's not better than a normal skin.
Okay.
Oh, no, I died.
He got 11. My brother also got 11.
But I got eliminated after you, so it's fine.
One step after me.
Are you sure about that?
Yes. 6th. And he is
5th.
5th.
Hey, but I'm in the top 5, you're not, so get out.
I'm on bronze.
Yeah, you're.
Oh, I got 700 ability keys.
I have 12,000 ability keys.
I have 1200.
That's
I just need to add another zero.
Yeah, no, you're not gonna add it anytime soon. I am only behind you because I never play ranked. I hate ranked when I don't have punch.
I also don't like ranks, but
Oh, अबे हमने खुद ही rank बोल
but
दिया था.
I want these rewards. That's why I'm playing it. I want these rewards like XP stars and
I
that.
want the Razai. ठंड लग रही.
I want the rewards. That's why I'm playing.
Avyan.
Right now, I'm just upgrading my stomach class.
You cannot upgrade.
Nah, I'm kidding. I'm I'm not kidding. Well, I
Nah,
can
you
unlock.
were not kidding, Avyan. I just told you.
I can unlock a new
Stop
ability.
acting smart.
Great. Be quiet.
Stop
I can
acting
be.
that you're smart. मत करना वो अगली बार, ठीक है?
Okay, so now I can unlock a new ability. I have 60 ability keys, but I'm not gonna. I'm just joining him.
Because it won't matter anyways unless you buy Hug, and I'm not gonna let you buy that right now. Why? Because right now we are playing and I haven't even eaten dinner, so I'll have to go up and eat dinner.
Do you like hug?
Yeah.
Like the ability? Why?
I'm not gonna tell you why. Because it's a goated strat.
Oh, I have seen you use it. It's
No, I have
goated.
never used that.
You have.
मेरे पास वो है ही नहीं.
You had it, but
I never had.
you had it, but at the end your tab got deleted.
How I had, but वो combo किसी और ability के साथ भी
Yeah,
होता है.
I'm gonna use that.
That's actually a very bad strategy. I've done that before and it doesn't work. Look how many people are in front of you, Avyan.
Just because I failed.
No, Avyan, even I've done it perfectly before. It's actually very bad.
Nah, it's no.
Yeah, it is.
It's kind of good. Kinda, not that good.
I'm in first place right now.
But I'm still gonna make it at least in the top 10, I think.
Never mind, I'm not in first place. I'm in fourth place. What? How?
I'm gonna make a top 5, I think.
No, you're not. You're very far behind.
Nah, I'm almost right behind you.
Yes. How did I come in front of first place? How did I come in front of them?
I am top 5. I'm 5th place.
How did I come in front of them? I literally jumped on
I left.
one guy's head like thrice. I want to spectate them. I can't leave because I qualified. Let's go. If you qualify right now, then you get just a little extra. You're on 7, I'm on 36. Do you know I've completed a Stumble Pass in one day also when I used to play Stumble Guys a lot? Like in 2 hours or 3 hours.
Yep, I don't play Stumble Guys that much.
100. Let's go. Now I'm almost on bronze. Now I'm on level
Can I
36.
get that? No, I don't want to get that. Oh, no. Nah.
Yeah, I want to play custom a little bit. Show them how good you are at clutching.
I don't want a clutch.
Fine, then
Let's play custom. Whoever wins it all. No abilities.
only shield because we're playing block dash.
Yeah,
shield is
shield.
good for passing the bow. And block dash endless hai. So it can go to wave 1000 also.
Yeah.
I know you did not know that.
I know. It can go to infinite wave. Like wave to 3000.
That is not infinite.
Yeah.
The max anyone has gone is I think 1097 या फिर उससे कम या फिर उससे ऊपर. 1100 से ऊपर नहीं गया अभी तक.
Nobody has went over 1000 and
You didn't even know that, Avyan.
I was translating it in English.
I said in English only.
You said in
You
Hindi.
thought it's an English alien language.
Nah.
You think everyone whatever they speak is alien language.
Nah, you said in Hindi. I am
I
translating.
can
it.
literally kill him with my shield.
I know he can kill
How?
me.
Batana?
His shield actually pushes me a lot.
Every shield pushes. Is Avyan stay still?
Look, it pushes way more.
Because my thing is bounce max.
Yeah.
My bounce is. I can upgrade my shield to max right now. Do you know why I'm not doing
Why?
that? I'm saving enough ability keys for punch and then I'm gonna upgrade punch a lot.
Oh,
I
okay.
don't wanna use it all on shield. Shield is already very good.
I know. I know your
And
shield
this-
is already very good.
Guys, you know now that driving skins or skins like Avyan's is not good. You should always choose a skin like mine, a ground skin. It's actually better, way better.
This is actually making it faster.
No, it doesn't. My thing got glitched.
My thing also got glitched.
मैं पीछे जा रहा था मेरा glitch हो गया, so it doesn't count.
Yeah, it doesn't count typically because his also got glitched, but
Yours did not get glitched. When मेरा ये था पॉज होके मैं पूरा void में गया.
I was going forward, but then I just went back instantly, but not that back.
Yeah, so that not versus mine. मेरा
Yeah.
पूरा glitch करके मेरा पूरा
I
void में.
know. I
No,
know.
you do not know.
I know.
No, you do not know.
I actually do.
No, you don't.
Yeah, I do.
No, you
You're saying things.
don't.
Anything.
You don't have shield now.
I do have shield.
You don't know how to use it to get over the spikes. So it's fine.
I know.
AC बंद. Light
And-
हल्की कर दो अभियान.
Now the light has gone in our house.
Oh, you know you don't have to speak English, Avian. Viewers can understand Hindi. It's fine.
Not many. Most of the viewers are from America only.
How do you know? All our
Gender, racism. This is racism.
Avian, like our channel is not even that popular, especially yours. Mine had like 50 subscribers.
Because you started 2 years ago.
I got glitch.
Nah, that's not glitching.
That glitch, Avian. Shield usually makes it go up like this. मेरा सिर्फ phase होके पूरा वो bounce हो गया.
But that's not glitching. That's not
That's
glitching.
glitching. You can ask the viewers also.
Okay, another round, and if he loses this time, it's not glitching because.
But if I fall off the map, then it's glitching because I don't do that on purpose. I usually stay beach में only. I was trying to go back and come here to do a phase because I know how to do a phase, but हो नहीं पाया because it glitch हो गया. I fell in the void or in the darkness of nothingness.
Yep.
And why isn't my thing coming back?
You think? I think you need to restart.
1 minute, I'm coming back.
He is coming back.
Why are you inviting them? You can.
Nee,
Are you
nee,
stupid?
nee.
Just invite all of them.
I wanna do it one by one. It's more fun.
Press on club.
No.
Press on club. You can invite your club without them being your friends. Avian, do you know
No.
good things about Stumble Guys?
No.
Avian, do you know how to change your abilities while you are on the screen?
How?
I'm not telling you.
Oh, like that.
No.
Like that.
Yeah.
And I figured it out.
Invite me.
I'm
I
just.
just do invite all now.
I invited you.
I'm gonna be host anyway, I think.
Yeah, he's gonna be host.
I think.
He is joining.
Joining.
Yeah, and I'm not the host. He is host.
Let's go.
It's
Then
an
all abilities are allowed, क्या?
no, only shield.
अभी आपकी thing पे all ability दिखा रहा था. इसके बाद I'm gonna do all abilities.
Yeah, after this.
Because Avian, don't use your ability on me. Okay, next time I want to show you something what you can. Actually, no, I won't show you something what you can do with briefcase. Oh, all abilities are allowed.
Nah,
For me, they are.
no, they're not.
Look, Avian.
Hey,
Oh,
how?
never mind. वो बस दिखा रहा था.
Oh, it was
I was
just
going to show
showing.
you something with the briefcase, but I wasn't going to tell you how to do it anyways. Hey, just stay still. I want to show them something. Come in the middle of the map so you don't die. Stay
Yeah.
still. Look at that.
It pushes a lot.
When you move, can you? You cannot die if you do it in the middle. Can I show you, please?
Okay.
After I pass this thing. Now come, look at him. It pushes him like a maniac. Because
Nah.
my thing is upgraded to max, the bounce. Like you
Oof.
wouldn't know what that is anyways.
I know.
What is it? Bounce?
It makes the people bounce more.
Yeah, but you didn't know it was called that.
I didn't know what it was called, but when you said it, I knew. Oops. Here. Oh,
You
oh,
got
no,
this?
oh,
Oops.
oh,
I won.
Oh, but after 2 rounds, I won.
No, that was because glitch हुआ था, so it doesn't count. ये glitch नहीं हुआ था.
Yeah, but
So it doesn't count around. It doesn't matter anyway. You can do a clutch off only. You can also do this. You can also do this. You give me a clutch, then I give you a clutch.
okay. I'm gonna give.
You are gonna give me first to 3 points win. Okay, guys. So he's gonna give me a clutch with an on.
I'm very bad at clutching.
No abilities are allowed. So I'm gonna give you a base clutch. No, I want to give you 3 block. But first you give me the clutch.
Yeah.
Because it's only fair because
I'm gonna give you 1 block clutch.
If you fail, then it's my chance, but nobody gets a point. And it's first to 3 points.
Yeah.
I don't want to do it first to 7 or 10.
First to 3 points.
And I'm glad that Stumble Guys fixed this thing that when someone invites you,
I'm glitching. Oh. That
when
doesn't
someone
count.
invites you, you can actually.
I got glitched a
I
lot.
saw when someone invites you, you can actually go to the party now again. I really love that Stumble Guys fixed that bug.
Yep.
Avan, yup, bolo.
I already know the bug.
Yeah, but you yup to bolo bhi mat Avan.
I know the bug.
Yeah, but you.
Can this thing just load?
No, it can't.
Yay! It loaded.
I'm making a new thing with all abilities.
Now he's making it with all abilities.
Enable all. All enabled. All enabled now. All enabled.
And
Avan,
leave party. I'm just customizing.
I also leave. Avan, I'm already customizing. You're not customizing.
I am.
मेरा ऑलरेडी हो गया देखो बस ये ग्लिच हो गया ये देखो
I am customizing. I am changing my skin.
वो हाँ because it's not good.
I'm changing it to what branches do.
I actually have the Jade Nyan Beast if you didn't know.
And I have this special which I don't
Which
like.
does not look good.
It kind of does not look good.
I have some.
It's
I
glitching.
have the Jade Nyan Beast.
It's glitching.
No, it's not.
Okay. Wait.
I have the Jade Nyan Beast, guys. The very rare. And you know where I got it from? The lucky wheel. The lucky spin, which is not lucky at all.
Yup.
Then restart yours.
The lucky spin is actually not lucky.
Restart. Oh, it worked.
Okay. It worked. Okay, it didn't work this time.
Okay.
I just put a crack. Another one. You are now there are 3 cracks.
चाचू को बताऊंगा.
Wow. The cracks don't matter. I'm obviously getting a meter.
I've had 300.
Can it load?
I've had 300 friends, brother.
He hard.
I have 102. अब यार leave करना. Leave मतलब.
Okay, wait 1 minute. I'm processing. Okay, now it's done. He told me how to do it. It just took 1
अब यार
second.
don't ability me, okay? I want to show you something, but I won't tell you how to do it. If you ability me, you will get it for your life.
Nah.
You don't know what I can do with my abilities.
You don't know what I can do with mine.
Oh please, you don't even know how to use them.
I know.
Little death versus little death. Just look, okay? Don't use your ability. I want to show you something, but I don't want to tell you how to do it. because
When are you gonna use it?
Okay.
Mine is glitching.
Look. Avyan!
Hey.
You're seeing man. खुद की screen से नहीं देख सकते क्या? Next time you do it, I get a free point. ठीक है? So
Nah.
हे मत करो.
Nah, he doesn't.
Glitch भी नहीं हुआ है Avyan. जानबूझ के you're seeing my screen and doing it. जानबूझ के करोगे, I will get a free point. Glitch हुआ then I won't. And glitch नहीं हुआ था. You were literally running into the laser while seeing me. So मैं free point मिलेगा.
Okay, 1-0.
Good.
And I have the 1.
No.
Okay, he has the 1. Can you just start?
अगर आपके पास 2 होंगे मेरे पास 1 होंगे then say 1 2. जो भी पहला वाला नंबर है वो मेरा है, सेकंड वाला आपका है.
Okay, I'm just pausing for 1 minute. Okay, now it's done.
मेरा
Now
भी
the,
रिकॉर्ड करते करते ग्लिच होता है.
when it records, it sometimes glitches. Like my brother's, it happened.
And just you can also tell him that you don't have to speak in English the entire time. You can speak in Hindi. It's fine. It does not matter.
It actually does. Most people only
They can
watch.
search up the word on Google. Beat me, you can say Hindi because you don't know how to speak English.
I do.
Do you know? He says Rajdhani Express. He says Rajasthani.
Nahi, it's Rajdhani. I don't say that.
Advi, he says Rajasthani now.
राजस्थानी का बोला
राजधानी ट्रेन का राजस्थानी.
नहीं
It's glitching kind of sometimes.
It's not. Look at this man. No, I failed it. 1 minute. I'm gonna load again after my briefcase loads up.
When is it unloading?
Okay, it's done loading. Look, I'm gonna do that. I can get up.
It's glitching kind of. Oh. I learned how to do that. Yeah. Oh, you didn't lose.
Look. I just got up.
Briefcase me, I dare you.
No.
Adar!
2-0.
wave 10. So we are.
Wave 10?
Yeah, we were on wave 10.
I didn't see the wave. I was more focused on winning the game.
I need to put my legs in there.
Really,
They're very cold.
come.
It's reconnecting. I'm pausing.
No, yaar. The viewers will
Okay.
hate if you just keep pausing for every single thing.
Yeah. It takes a lot of time. Oh, yeah, no.
You still.
Right after I said that.
Yes, your
just
fault.
loaded.
You hit the tab. 3 cracks है हो गए अभियान. And record करते करते glitch होता है. It glitches while recording
Yeah.
a lot.
On ADV screen recorder.
You know, Kian was on India West, and even I was on India West. You have 133 ping अभियान. You have 200 ping. What server are you playing on?
200 ping, is that good?
No, मेरा 40 ping पे exclamation mark दिखा रहा है. उसका 200 ping जा रहा है. And I think your server is दूसरा. Why did you bring Invis? Invis is such a bad ability. I have bought it, but I missed it. Man, you said me to hit you with the briefcase now.
Yeah.
Just jump, okay? Come here. Jump. Listen, jump again. Get red. Noob.
I know you would do that. It just. Just put the briefcase somewhere.
Oh, where?
Mine is
you want to
glitching.
try?
Mine is
It's
glitching.
not.
It is. It
You
is.
could have jumped, Avyan.
But it is
And
glitching.
It's not glitching, Avyan. वो block पे stuck होता है. You could have come around and do it.
But I didn't have
But I
space.
counted. Avyan, there was a lot of space.
Nah.
झूठ मत बोलो. If it happens again, I don't care. I'm getting a free point because you could have easily turned around and done it.
Now.
If you had any skill, which you don't.
I do have skill.
No, then you could have done
Give me
that.
that. Give me that. Give me that.
Oh.
Like, don't. If you do, I'll also bite your pillow next time.
करके दिखाना.
I'm gonna put my head on that.
will slap you to death.
I'm gonna put I put my head on that. Give me that. You bite my pillow, I'm gonna take the blanket
You cannot. I'm stronger than you.
in mine.
I've literally wrestled you, man.
1 minute, pause. Wait, this round does not count. 1 minute.
Oh, round definitely का. Cause I snowballed you perfectly.
Yeah.
ये लो. पूरा रजाइलेगा. I really don't care.
I'm feeling.
Briefcase.
Ah,
But then I dare you to hit me with an ability. But you're too bad at it, so you can't hit me. Look at you. You almost hit yourself. I dare you to jump. But you're too afraid to. Oh, even I can do the same thing. But I don't upgrade my Invis. Invis is kind of bad.
Head. Knocked it
Now I'm
down.
magnesium. You come here.
What is magnesium?
I don't know. You don't have that much knowledge now. That's why you don't know. Told you don't know how to use your shield.
Heh.
Oh, man. Try to snowball you while you were clutching. I dare you to jump. You're too afraid to. Oh, man. I couldn't get the
Yes.
kill. Wait, did you
I'm
die?
trying to clutch.
You cannot clutch on that like that.
Okay. I could not clutch. He got 3 points. So the video is over now. So bye guys.